So I've taught Greek mythology in the winter session here for a number of years, and about 2 or 3 years ago, I was asked to make it an online course so we could improve the enrollments. The on-campus courses are hard to offer in January in Ithaca, and so I thought it was a creative challenge to try that. And I got the advice of some of the technical experts on campus, and I reformulated the whole class to be a 2.5 week long intensive introduction to Greek mythology. And it took a huge amount of time planning the class from the ground up to try and figure out what I would do if I were a student sitting in Korea. What would it look like when I start up the course, to see how to go here, how to go there. And I was terrified that students would log on for the exams and it wouldn't be there. That actually did happen this last time. But believe it or not, it worked very, very well. Planning an online course requires far, far, far more effort than a course taught on campus. And I knew that going into it the first time, but I did underestimate how long it would actually take to assemble everything. The entire course has to be ready to go before the course begins. So I sat down with paper and a calendar, what we want to cover each day, how much we could possibly cover, what was too much, what resources were already online, what courses and lectures I'd have to write and tape online. All that sort of thing required at least, I think, 3 to maybe 4 weeks of work leading up to the launch of the course. The good news is when I planned it all out the first time, subsequent iterations have been mostly tweaks to what I've done. I've added and replaced a couple of things over the last couple of years, but at least 80% of the original course is still intact. I do change the exams and I do change up the lectures a little bit. But by and large, all the planning that first time around was a great investment for these subsequent years.